Oh, no, I asked Archie about them. He says the only time he wants to wake up and see flowers on top of him is when he's dead.
I wonder what it'd be like to be rich enough to afford beautiful matching sheets and towels. Oh, I don't know. He's been dreaming about his exams at night. Mom, it means so much to him.
Oh, I know. He's studying so hard. Sometimes it hurts my head just to watch him.
All Stars 4 is here. Fridays at 8 on VH1. And this season, winter takes all. You'll love us all hail RuPaul.
I get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. I just got paid.
Start banking with Chime today at chime.com.
Hell, seriously, I'm too young for hair loss. My hairline keeps creeping back, receding.
The most common side effects were pain, redness and swelling at the injection site, limited arm movement, fatigue, headache, muscle pain, joint pain, less appetite, vomiting, fever, chills, and rash. Prevention begins with Prevnar 13. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about Prevnar 13.
Okay, Max, time to help Mrs. Tyler reach her health goals.